The mid-range smartphone market in the United States is one of the most competitive spaces right now, and standing out is not easy. Yet the Samsung Galaxy A57 is doing exactly that by focusing on something many competitors often overlook: consistency, reliability, and a complete user experience. Unlike last year, there is no delay this time. The Galaxy A57 is launching in the US at the same time as the global release, and that already gives it a strong advantage. In a fast-moving market, timing matters, and being available right away makes the device more relevant and appealing to buyers who want the latest tech without waiting. At first glance, the Galaxy A57 may look familiar, but that is actually part of its strength. Instead of completely redesigning everything, Samsung has refined what already works. The phone is now slimmer and lighter, making it more comfortable to hold and use every day. These small improvements may not seem exciting on paper, but in real life, they make a noticeable difference. One of the biggest highlights is the set of premium features that are still rare in this price range. The Galaxy A57 comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, which means it can handle splashes, rain, and even accidental drops in water. This is something many mid-range phones still lack. On top of that, the device offers a high-quality AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an overall smooth viewing experience whether watching videos or scrolling through social media. The camera system is another area where the Galaxy A57 stays dependable. While it may not have massive upgrades compared to previous models, it still delivers consistent and reliable performance. Photos look sharp, colors are balanced, and the overall experience is easy and straightforward. For most users, that level of reliability matters more than having experimental or overhyped features. Where the Galaxy A57 truly stands out is in software. Samsung's One UI continues to be one of the most polished Android experiences available. It is clean, feature-rich, and easy to use. More importantly, Samsung is offering 6 years of Android updates along with 6 years of security updates. That level of long-term support is almost unheard of in the mid-range segment. This means the Galaxy A57 is not just a phone for today, it is a phone that will stay relevant for years. For many buyers, that adds real value because it reduces the need to upgrade frequently. It is an investment that lasts longer than most alternatives in the same price category. Samsung is also bringing more AI features into the Galaxy A57, making the device feel smarter and more modern. Features like improved photo editing, voice transcription, and system-wide AI enhancements help bridge the gap between mid-range and flagship phones. These tools may not always show up in a spec sheet comparison, but they improve everyday usage in meaningful ways. Of course, the Galaxy A57 is not alone in this segment. Competitors from brands like OnePlus and Google Pixel are pushing hard with their own mid-range devices. Some offer faster processors, bigger batteries, or quicker charging speeds. Others may even have more advanced camera setups. However, many of these phones focus heavily on one or two standout features while compromising on the overall experience. The Galaxy A57 takes a different approach. Instead of chasing extremes, it aims to deliver balance. Everything works well together: design, performance, software, and support. This strategy may feel less exciting to some people, especially those who look for big upgrades every year. The improvements on the Galaxy A57 are more incremental, and that can make it seem like Samsung is playing it safe. But for mainstream users, this approach actually makes sense. It ensures stability, reliability, and a polished experience without unnecessary risks. For existing Samsung users, upgrading to the Galaxy A57 is an easy decision. The interface feels familiar, the ecosystem remains intact, and everything works seamlessly. Whether upgrading from a budget device or switching from an older flagship, the transition is smooth and comfortable. Another major advantage is Samsung's ecosystem. The Galaxy A57 works effortlessly with other Samsung devices like smartwatches, tablets, and laptops. Features like quick file sharing, synchronized apps, and connected experiences add practical value that goes beyond just the phone itself. Customer support is also an important factor. Samsung has a strong physical presence with service centers and stores, which gives users peace of mind. In comparison, some competitors rely heavily on online support, which may not always be as convenient. That said, the Galaxy A57 is not perfect. Some users may be disappointed that the battery capacity and charging speeds have not seen significant improvements. Others may wish for bigger camera upgrades. These are valid concerns, especially in a market where competitors are constantly pushing boundaries. However, for those who prefer a stable and well-rounded device, these compromises may not matter as much. The Galaxy A57 focuses on delivering a dependable experience rather than chasing trends. In the end, the Galaxy A57 represents a simple idea done well. It may not be the most powerful or the most innovative phone in its class, But it offers something equally important, a reliable and complete experience that works consistently every day. With a starting price of $549 and availability beginning April 9, 2026, the Galaxy A57 positions itself as a strong contender in the mid-range segment. It proves that sometimes getting the basics right is more valuable than adding flashy features. For anyone looking for a smartphone that feels polished, lasts longer, and delivers a balanced experience, the Galaxy A57 is definitely worth considering. If this breakdown was helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones and tech news.